Welcome back to Sticker Mountain. In today's video, we're going to be using Adobe Illustrator to create a large area of your vector design in metallic and a small portion of your design with a white underlay. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing community of sticker enthusiasts and business owners for more helpful sticky tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, let's create some layers because it's always important to be organized. The first layer is going to be our Dieline layer. This is so we know where to cut your design. We actually have a whole playlist of how to create Dielines that you can check out here, but we'll show you in this video too. The second layer is our metallic layer. This will hold all the elements you wish to be metallic. And the final layer is our white layer. This is going to hold all the elements that are non-metallic. Next, we're going to create a Dieline. To do this, select all of your artwork and copy and paste everything into the Dieline layer. Press Command-C, then Command-F to paste it in place. Next, while everything's still selected, press Unite under the Pathfinder window. Next, switch the fill and the stroke and choose any color you wish. Then we're going to offset the path to give you a little extra room. Now you have a Dieline. Now we're going to select all the areas that are going to be white and put them in the white layer. For this example, we're going to click the horns and the face mask. And we're going to copy with Command or Control-C, and we're going to paste it in front with Command or Control-F into the white layer. Next, in the Pathfinder window, click the Unite button and change the fill to be a solid color, say pink for example. Now, these are the few areas that are going to have white backing, and everything else will have the metallic effect. Now you know 2 different ways to make metallic stickers and labels for a smoother and quicker printing process. Eager to learn more? We have a bonus video coming next week on how metallic paper is applied in different industries. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest content updates. Sticker Mountain. The best part of us is to be a part of you.